All right, we are now going to add a quiz. So I'm back here to my test module that I made. I'm going to click on this plus sign and then go to quiz. And all of these are quizzes that I have already had in my class. So I'm going to go ahead and click on new quiz, and then I'm going to just name it test. And I'm going to click on add item. And then whenever you have a quiz, you have this little rocket ship is what the quiz symbol is. So I'm going to click on this, and it takes me into where I can change some things. So I can look at all of the different settings that are there, and then I can look at due, and then available from, and then until, so those dates and times that I set. So I can go ahead and publish it here whenever I'm ready for the students to see it. I can preview the quiz and see it as the students would. I can edit that, and then I can also show a rubric. I can lock this quiz for now. I can delete it, but I'm going to go click on edit. And then I can go to change the name. I can give them directions here in this box if I would want to. You can change the quiz type to a practice, a graded quiz. You can change it to a graded survey, an ungraded survey, however if you need to change those settings on there. If you're syncing to Infinite Campus Gradebook, you need to click on that. You can shuffle the answers. You can set a time limit and then say how many minutes they have. You can allow, so the default is that it just gives them one attempt, but you can allow multiple attempts and then what you would like the score to be. So do you want it to keep the highest score if you're allowing multiple attempts, if you want to keep the latest score, if you want to take an average of those, and then you can change it to how many attempts that they get. And then you can let them see their responses, or you can let them show correct answers at a certain time, and then you can hide those again. You can show one question at a time. The default is that it's just a scrolling page of questions, but you can change it to show one question at a time. You can require an access code. So I do this a lot for like my finals. If I have multiple sections of students, I require an access code. I usually make it like Crabtree is cool or something like that. And then you can assign and do the due date, available from, until, and then you can go ahead and save it. So that is just making the quiz. If we go to the next video on creating questions, I will show you there how to create the quiz questions inside of it.